Hello everyone, Saka here with another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update. Today I'm at Venture on Marlette and we've got Rocky with us today.
Yay, I'm so happy. It's great to be on property so that I can actually get a feel for what's going on across the street, what's going on in the neighborhood, and it kind of tells me that we're in the right direction with the choices that we've made, both interior and exterior, and it's really exciting to see the development.
Yeah, things are looking really great inside. We've made a lot of progress on the interiors.
Yeah.
We're just getting things finished up. It's really close to the end.
Should we take a look?
Let's take a look.
Okay.
Inside.
So here we are. We're about 2 weeks away from the interiors being completely done. And I am really loving the way this kitchen is coming together. We have this deep basin sink, we have the soft close cabinets, we have these really nice chrome fixtures throughout, which really pop against the doors. I think the most exciting change is when we actually get the backsplash in. This is a cement tile, and essentially this pattern will come together so that it basically has this like starburst effect. It's gonna look really good. And it's important that we put some of these high-end features in this property because across the street is gorgeous and it'll rent for a lot. And we wanna make sure that even though this is smaller and more boutique, that it still has some amazing high-end features.
So once we get the backsplash installed, we'll be ready for our appliances. And all of them are going to be in a stainless steel finish, which will play really well with the white quartz that we have now installed, as well as the hardware that we have in all these soft close cabinets. Again, it's all about paying attention to those high-end details.
So as Sake was saying, attention to detail is really key, and it allows us to not only compete with across the street, but also to make our own look and to ultimately serve our investors the best. Stuff like this, where we have painted the door a dark gray, it really allows the chrome hardware to really pop, and we feel like it's, again, just one of those extra details that is a little unexpected and going to be very welcome to our residents.
So if we take a look inside the bathrooms, you can see that we have our plumbing fixtures, our tile is complete, we're just waiting on the shower trim. Those fixtures will be installed soon. We have our faucet installed in this chrome, as well as the cabinet hardware and our bath accessories. So all that's really left in here are outlet switches and the light fixture, as well as our vanity mirror.
So as you can see, the bedrooms are almost done. We're gonna hang a ceiling fan, gonna finish off the light switches and outlets, which means I think we're 2 weeks away from being done with interiors, which means we start pre-leasing in May, which is great news. The last thing to be done is basically the carpet, and the way I like to choose it is to butt it right up against where it will ultimately be laid. So it plays really well with the tile, it plays really well with the door, but anything would play well with this door. There's a nice speckle to it, which means it won't show a lot of dirt, it'll be longer lasting, and it's ultimately easy for residents to do anything they want around it. I think that's it.
We do have one more update for everyone on the outside.
Great.
You want to take a look? So if you remember from our last update, I showed you the design of our unit signage, and now we have it installed on site. We painted behind it so that way our painters can just tape it off and paint everything around it. We went with this dark steel because it's going to play really well with a lot of the dark accents that we already have on
I totally agree. I think it was the right choice.
I'm glad you love it.
It looks great.
And just kind of on the exterior, there are only a few things left to do. We will be painting the exterior once we get close to finishing up the interiors, as well as landscaping, and with that, this property will be ready for residents.
So that's what's happening here at Marlette. Thank you for letting me tag along.
Of course, I loved it.
I'm Rocky.
I'm Sake.
And this has been another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update.